What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. So I am working on my 86 today, and I am going to be pulling this steering wheel off because I am putting a new one on. So we're going to go through some of the proper procedures for removing the steering wheel so that you know what you're getting into. First off, you have to get the steering wheel off, and the bolt that mounts it is right behind this cover. If you got a 79 to 86, you'll push in on this, turn it counterclockwise, and it'll come right out. So underneath here is a 15 mil bolt. That bolt's got to come out, and then you'll have to use a puller. Now, what I'm going to recommend is a harmonic balancer puller. This is what I've got, and it'll work great. So there's two holes right here, and you'll see when you get this far, there's two holes right here on either side of the main bolt, and then you'll push the center bolt into it. It'll pull the steering wheel off. It's a pretty easy deal. First things first, we're going to get to the center bolt. We're going to get that off and go from there. Alright, so once you get that bolt removed, that's when you're going to use the balancer puller. So there's the balancer puller. You'll find the right size bolts in the kit. Thread them in like so. Once you have those finger tight, that's when you'll put together the centerpiece here. Then you'll have to get the correct size socket to fit on the end of this. Mine's a 14 mil. And as you tighten this down, it'll pull the steering wheel off. It doesn't take much, as you can see. So here we've got the steering wheel removed. There you go. So with that out of the way, you can see the steering wheel a little bit better here. So it'll give you an idea of how to put that puller tool in. Now they do make a steering wheel puller, but you can do just as well with a harmonic balancer puller, and it's got all the pieces in it. So there are the two screws on the outside, and then there's your centerpiece that you push the other piece through. So pretty easy deal. Alright, so the adapter that I've got for my steering wheel is not the correct one. I took a chance on it. It's a $20 piece. I didn't want to spend the $100 on the adapter that they recommended for this. I was going to see if I can make this fit, but I don't really want to risk it with my steering. It's kind of an important aspect. But at least you can see how to remove the steering wheel. From here, it's a matter of getting the correct adapter on here. And then mine is a 6-hole. So it's just a matter of finding the right adapter, getting everything mounted, and going from there. That's what she'll look like when it's all done. But I'll have to save that for another time. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next video.